Right, today we are making pancakes. So we've got Dan down here. We're going to go into a straddle position. Now this drill is used to help increase obviously forward flexion, but also external rotation so that we can get into a lot more gymnastic positions. So to start with, we're going to go through the progression where we use a weight out in front just to help pull ourselves deeper into the stretch. So this could be an immovable object like a rig or just a dumbbell so that we can sort of chill out here and not feel like we're getting pulled backwards. We can also chock up our bum, make it a little bit higher so we can actually leverage ourselves and use gravity to pull our body weight into the stretch. Now we want to focus on making sure the leg stays straight and we're not turning our toes in at any stage so we get the full aspect of the adductor. If we wanted to make this a loaded range of strength drill, what we can do is chuck the dumbbell on our back. We can fight for extension of the spine, so creating a neutral spine, and then allowing that dumbbell to pull us down as deep as we can go into the stretch. And we can just chill there because obviously time and attention times gravity is going to allow us to change the tonality and get deeper into that stretch and have longer, more flexible muscles.